The V-Auto Film Cutter menu is very easy to get used to. Once you switch a machine on, it directs you to the startup menu. Here the first thing you want to do is connect to the Wi-Fi. When that's done, select your language of choice and then press Product to log into your account. This is where first-time users register and where you log in to select the cutting templates. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a settings icon. This is where you can fine-tune your settings. And by pressing the account icon, you can view your account settings and edit it from here if you have to. Okay, let's click Home to get back to the templates. Now the first thing you should know is that these 4 items that you see here are not the only choices you got. Just scroll sideways for many more options. You don't want to miss out on this. Okay, let's go back to the beginning and enter the mobile template options. Now by scrolling up and down, you get a massive selection of makes to choose from. Probably just about any make out there. And also, you can use the search bar as well. So let's pick a make. And in a few seconds, all the models of that make appear. Scroll up and down to find the model you want, or again, use the search bar. Select the model, and now the final options appear. For the front film, the back film, and even for explosive-proof film. Let's choose the front film. Once you've got your final selection, you can customize the force you want to cut with, and then start cutting. Click the back arrows on the top right to go back screen by screen. And exactly the same process applies to all the items. Select your hot brand or search for it. Find the model you need to cut, and make your final choices. Set the force, and off you go, just press cut. So you've got mobiles, tablets and watches, exactly the same for all of them. Under custom, you get 3 basic shapes to work from, and you can edit the dimensions, which is quite nice. Right, moving along. You even get to choose from e-cigarette brands, computers, which obviously will be a very hot choice. And then you get game machines, from the console to the box. Then there's point of sales machines, and the same goes for sound, earphones, automobiles and cameras. And then there's the last one, it's called Other. Here you can even cut the film for this very machine, or use this window to search for anything you couldn't find. And that's it for the menu settings. Simple. So get connected, get selecting, and get cutting. Visit us online or contact sales for more information.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.